So, are you a type of person whereby you are really under budget? Maybe you at 500 rands, maybe $20 or $30 or whatnot. Look no further. This is the channel for you, okay? Because I deal with broke guys. I deal with broke guys, people that have no monies, okay? Hi guys, my name is Edlin Motsamai. For those who don't know me, I am actually an educator in AI as well as business collaborator, whereby I actually teach you how to use an AI tool for your business, and therefore you can also gain a lot of sustainability in your business as well as a structural business with AI. Make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I highly appreciate it. Also check out the link regarding to my YouTube channel. It's my digital products, whereby I actually teach you, and I'm even giving you AI prompts, guys. You can check that also in the comment section, where it's 75 to 50 prompts where you can actually develop your own business as well as attract customers from me. It's unique prompts from me, okay? Now, if you want to go and hear me regarding to podcasting with my co-host from Chicago, Illinois, which is Avery D, you can check out Let's Fix It by Edlin Motsamai. All the information to every other information regarding to where I am is going to be here, okay? Now, last week I spoke too much, so I'm going to cut to the chase. If you are starting a business from scratch, I need you to listen to me carefully, okay? Now, guys, if I'm out of breath, I'm so sorry. I had a lot of things to do. I had a lot of things to do, okay? Oh, and by the way, those who are new to my channel, thank you actually for following me, guys. I highly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, okay? Thank you for even trusting me with teaching you all the information I know. So if I have to start from scratch, like from day one, these are the AI tools that are the best tools for free, whereby it can assist you, okay? Yes, there are some limits, but at the end of the day, it's going to help you as much as possible because it's going to help to grow your business, okay? The first one, I know people are talking about it right now saying, no, I don't like it anymore, but I'm going to tell you, if you want to start from scratch with ChatGPT, okay? The second one is Gemini OmniFlash, okay? If you are wanting to start a YouTube channel that is faceless, or say for instance you want to start something regarding to making movies and stuff, or like, you know, short stories on TikTok to make money, Gemini is your one. Gemini is the one. And Nano Banana. Imagine, guys, the English. Nano Banana, okay? Please, Gemini is the one. You go and trust on Gemini, okay? The next one I'm going to tell you is Canva. Now, Canva is going to help to design any of your digital products that you want to sell. But remember, I told you last week, guys, it doesn't come overnight. You'll have to work. So make sure that you build rapport regarding to your social media accounts. I think the one with the highest rapport rate regarding to people wanting to watch you is TikTok, it's X, it's Pinterest. Okay, now Pinterest is a search engine, so they will search. It will be a customer that will search for you, but make sure to look on ChatGPT. I actually downloaded ChatGPT again, but now what I'm using now is Claude because I've upgraded. I've upgraded in life. So you're going to go into ChatGPT. This is actually one of my business phones, okay? And you are going to type onto ChatGPT to say, please give me the SEO keywords, right? Whoa. SEO keywords for maybe my business for TikTok or whatnot. And you see what happens? ChatGPT gives you that. Okay, whoa. Can you see? It gives you the SEO keywords for you to use for your TikTok in order for you see those hashtags that you have to use to get to the right people. And also check on trends regarding to TikTok. I'm telling you now, in terms of search engine, as well as the best ever for your niche. And that's another thing I'm going to talk to you about now. You have to go for TikTok, X, or Pinterest if you want to start all over again, because people are always there, 24/7. They're on Twitter, they're on Pinterest because of searching for something that's problem solving. Also, another thing is that, guys, CapCut. If you are dealing with opening your own TikTok videos to like sell a product of your digital product, which in terms of what you made in Canva, you need to use CapCut, okay? Best ever editing source, all right? And then you will see from there, and then you can start posting, all right? The last one is Microsoft Copilot. Now, I use Microsoft Copilot to the last, okay? When I was on my 3rd year of knowing AI. Because, guys, I took 6 years to learn AI, like from the T. Now I'm an AI expert as well as AI engineer, okay? So it's the last that I used, okay? But therefore, it's also the best regarding to free services. The one that I really did not like, guys, okay, I'm so sorry. I don't like to bombard, you know, companies and how they work. You understand? But this is the truth. It's a bit slow. So, but if you want to use it, it's 100% like, you know, it's free tier. The free tier is the best. It's DeepSeek. Okay. If you want any research and information, or Claude. Claude is the best when it comes to blog writing. So say for instance, you're getting stuck with your blog and you wrote this blog, but you need some help. Claude is the best. Okay. As well as Notion. Okay. So make sure that you go there, right? If like say for instance, you want these AI tools are here. Make sure you go onto TikTok, X, as well as Pinterest, and try and push it there. I won't lie to you, Instagram is bougie. If you want to use Instagram, it's up to you, as I spoke to you about it, guys. But I won't lie, it's bougie, okay? It will take some time. But these here, people are already looking for those services, okay? Especially here. I'm going to write everything here. Please come back to me on this page, you understand, on this channel. Please make sure you also subscribe. Let's be friends, guys, and you write in the comment section how it went regarding to your business. But please note, I will not lie to you all. It does not take overnight. You have to work very hard, okay? Another free service to actually link all of your products, you see, your products as well as stuff, so that you can't keep on going to your store and then taking and cutting and pasting. I'm going to teach you how you're going to do it. Go to Linktree, open up a Linktree and put all your links there of all of your products, okay? And you will have one Linktree for all, like in terms of advertising and stuff. That will be your best note, as well as card, okay? But I'm going to teach you more of that as time goes by. So as I said, guys, it's ChatGPT. I'm saying if you're starting from scratch, okay, that's free of charge. ChatGPT, Canva, Gemini, Notion as well is good. Microsoft Copilot, MailChimp also. You must use MailChimp. MailChimp for your emails, for your digital products, to get people to subscribe, and then you can send them, you know, your product offers. You can also help. It also helps with email, sorry, for free. Okay, but it's got a free tier. Why the hell, guys? English. I'm so sorry about my English today. I apologize greatly in advance. Okay, but I don't want to go cut off those kind of things. I want to show you like me making mistakes, because at the end of the day, I'm a human being, okay? So you can just check out all the information here, and please make sure if you want to send me any emails, guys, just send it to mountwalkergroup@gmail.com. It is pasted on my description, as well as if you want to go check me out regarding to another channel. If you are depressed, go check me out on Rumble app, whereby it's Mount Walker 888, whereby I teach you about mental health as well as positivity. Bye, guys.
Are you ready to host a podcast with me?
Let's go. Go check out our podcast every day at 6 p.m. on iHeartRadio and Spotify. We'll see you there.
Check out Let's Fix It by Edlene Motsamai podcast on iHeartRadio and Spotify.